some songs. Some people get nightmares, some people can't sleep. If you're lucky, you'll be the one counting sheep. I've never had a problem with sleeping, but when it comes to breathing, some people are virgins, some people are sluts. If you're lucky, you'll be the one getting fucked. I've never had a problem with that, but after I might have a heart attack. 'Cause I snore, yes I snore. Turn on the night light and watch my throat boil. I'm super hot till I fall asleep, but I go from a 10 to a 4. I've blamed it on sickness only so many times. If you sleep with me twice, you'll catch me in my lies. I've always hated slumber parties. It's a wonder why they invite me. Had a sleep apnea test about a year ago. Thank God I don't have it, and I'm pleased to know that I only stopped breathing 12 times. Apparently that's not enough to die. I snore, yes I snore. Turn on the sound machine and crank it up more. You'll take me home for the night and we'll hold each other tight. I'll be the girl you adore till I snore. It affects my sex life, and I worry no one will want me for their wife. You'll think ways to remedy. Just take your pillow and smother me. Though I struggle deep down and out not to pity what happens in bed, 'cause I give awesome head. Sorry, yes, I ask the guy above what the hell he did this for. You'll be happy to know that I always put out in the bedroom, I'm never a bore. But I snore, yes, I snore. Suffocation is a crime that I completely understand. If you can get over this one thing, you'll love me forevermore. Forevermore until I snore. Professor Emma? Yeah. Okay, cool. Hello, class. Cool. How's this sound? Is more closer to my mouth? Okay. Okay, I can't breathe heavy. That's gonna be a problem. Guys, so I didn't have sleep apnea when I wrote that song. I have sleep apnea now. I got diagnosed over quarantine. If you think it's bad to wear a mask during the day, I sleep in one. But yeah, thank God I'm dating someone, because I can only imagine what it would be like if I were to like try to hook up with people and like be like, sorry, let me slip into something more comfortable. I'm gonna sorry Bob, but yeah, so I am dating someone and it's going well. We're moving in together soon. And this is really the first time I thought about being a mom. Hey, come on, listen to this song. I don't want kids, but I'll probably have them. I don't want kids, but I'll probably have them. I have 2 brothers, 3 total kids in our home. One is millennial and the other low testosterone. So they both won't